180 years old, the second oldest theme park in the world. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here for our first ever visit to Tivoli Gardens. Let me start off by saying that the theme park doesn't actually have parking, and it is right in a city centre. We've parked just around the right there, so do your research before you come, because it is quite busy and it's a bit of a nightmare. I also want to say it is quite expensive. It's £50 each. You have to buy entry to the theme park and tickets for the rides as well, so I think you might have to pick up a wristband or something. But let's go and have a look at Tivoli Gardens in Copenhagen. Here we go. So you have to come over here after entry to these green machines to collect your wristbands. So here we are, entering the Tivoli Gardens. They have just normal park entry, and when we went to the ticket machine there wasn't a giant queue, so maybe a lot of people don't have wristbands, so we might be alright with the rides. We'll soon find out. So first we're hunting down a wooden coaster. Similar to roller coaster at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, with a brakesman. Let's go see what it's like. Looks very funky. Fancy.
Very pretty.
Very well maintained.
I like that.
Wow, beautiful.
I love the fountain. It's warm today.
Oh dear, if you follow the channel you know how much I hate star flyers.
They're great.
And this one actually looks taller than the one at Fantasy Island.
No it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. I'll have to Google it, guys, but that might be the tallest star flyer we've been on. Oh, not looking forward to that. This was my main reason for coming, guys. This flat ride looks awesome.
I haven't actually seen it.
So I don't usually research the theme parks before I come, but I did look at the top 5 rides for this one, and this flat ride looks so cool. So it wasn't as expensive as we thought. Sky actually got the wrong wristband when she booked it, but we have some extra benefits, and these are the benefits, guys. Aquarium, unlimited ride photos.
And that's for the plus wristband.
That's for the plus wristband. So we've just seen the flat riders going. We've got to go and give it a go. It looks awesome. Probably not the best ride to start our day with, but look at it. There's no one on it yet.
I don't think any of the rides are open yet.
That's the closest I've ever come to throwing up on a ride. What do you think, Jacob?
That was really good.
It was absolutely awesome. It's so intense. It's a complete crazy ride experience. Never ever been on a flat ride like it, but I've gone pale. Sky's gone into the shop to get me a drink because I really feel like I'm going to throw up. You don't think it is? No. I don't know. It was just crazy.
Spin jump.
Like absolute madness, guys.
Sky one.
Definitely not one to miss, but yeah, make sure you got a drink afterwards. Don't start your day with Tik Tak.
It's like a Twister ride on steroids.
Never ever had an attraction made me feel like that before. It's taken me over half an hour to recover.
I feel fine.
Jacob feels fine. I don't know how. Maybe I'm getting old, but that was just too much. Wow, they give you a rundown before you go on the ride. I think Tivoli Gardens is going to be the theme park that kills me.
I like them.
So unfortunately no POVs, guys. Me and Jacob got really lucky there on the Starflyer. We got the last go, and then it started raining and they sort of closed pretty much every ride. The mini Starflyer is still going. So we got extremely lucky there. 260 foot Starflyer. It wasn't that scary, to be honest. You go up and then you come back down and then you go up, but you don't spin at full speed.
Not my favourite one.
Not your favourite one. If there's a 260-foot one out there where it just constantly spins, that will be absolutely horrific, I can tell you that. Pterodactyl at Flamingo Land's still bad. Still the worst one. It's not even the tallest, but
I like it, though.
that Starflyer is horrific. Let's go and see what else we can find. There's a wooden coaster and a B&M to try. Looks like a good little woody. At least it's open. Most of the rides are closed because of the weather. Oh, that's a pretty big queue. We keep getting very unlucky with the weather, don't we, Jacob? So a ride there on, sorry for the pronunciation, Rutschgebahnen, the oldest roller coaster in Europe and the third oldest in the world. What do you think, Jacob?
I got some really good airtime on those drops. Went so far up
Very
the
well
thing.
finished, very good coaster. How does it compare to roller coaster at Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach?
Way better.
Way better, yeah? I don't agree on that one. It's better themed, but I think the drops on roller coaster at Great Yarmouth are better.
No.
Jacob disagrees. Oh no, you'll have to come and see it for yourself.
At the back as well.
Hopefully we can get a back row ride later. Now we've still got a B&M to check out. Listen to the screeching on that aeroplane. It sounds like it's stealing the souls of the children that ride it. This guy's just found, with our Plus wristbands, apparently we get a free spin on something called the Grand Prix, where you can win some prizes. So we're going to go and check that out now. It's just over here. We don't really know what it is, but we bought the Plus wristband, so we might as well go and have a look. I can't read Danish, but it says chocolade or something on there, so let's go see. I wonder what it is there. What is it? Oh, okay, so what if it stops on a prize, does it? Oh, Toblerone. You're going to choose one right next to me. So you scan your wristbands, guys, and then you choose a number, and you've got to hope that the man stops on it. Oh, Jacob chose number 9. He wanted number 10.
I didn't realise.
Where's it going to stop? Are we going to win some sweets? You're going to get Toblerone. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. I beat you. Woohoo, I win. I win. That was a lot of luck. So we got some sweeties. What are they? Oh, awesome. So a mixture of Danish chocolates. Oh, hey. The Mine. This one's been closed all day so far, guys. I'm not sure what it is. If it opens, we get on it. Looks quite cool, actually. Don't you eat my sweeties?
Sorry. I think it was a
Hunting down the B&M coaster now, guys. We're supposed to be going on rides for our viewers, not scoffing sweets.
Yeah, that's what I
They're
want
so
to do.
good though.
We got a nice little chill area over here, guys. Are you going to chill on the beanbags?
Chicken!
Chickens!
Chicken!
Chickens!
Oh. What's the packet?
The Demon.
That's a short one.
Yeah, me and Greg.
It's a red, it's B&M, it's in a China themed area. Did Dragon Khan have a baby?
Black.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a big queue. Oh god, oh my god, it's a very big queue. So we've wasted about half an hour in the queue for Demon. The security cameras don't work apparently, and they have no idea when the ride's going to come back on, so we want to go and check out the rest of the park first. Well, there you are. That's a real shame, guys, because it's probably the best ride in the park, don't you reckon?
Yeah.
It's a new theme park though, we can't spend all day waiting for one ride.
I hope it loads again. They got another one as well.
Fata Morgana. Like the dark ride at Efteling.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks cool. So we got lucky with this one, guys. It's just open, it's been closed. Looks like they're testing it. You can choose either to sit on the outside on the blue one there and spin, or you can choose animals and also spin, but facing forwards. Let's go see what it's like. It looks pretty cool, very well themed. Another ride has closed down. Terrible operations today. What a waste of time, eh? So the only operations that have been good so far, guys, was for the wooden coaster. Everything else is shocking. The B&M's closed, this one's now closed down, the Starflyer closed, and it's extremely busy.
Can't get on any rides.
With the capacity on that drop tower, I'm not even going to try. Oh, it's a reverse drop tower, sorry. And it's really slow. Jesus Christ. I can't even find anywhere to walk. Sure.
Overpriced rubbish.
I think the last time overpriced rubbish. I think the last time I was at a theme park like this was when we went to Walibi Holland for Fright Nights. You just couldn't move, but it's quite hot today actually. Maybe Disney, that was the last time we felt like this, wasn't it? Yeah, this is it. This is visiting in the summer holidays, guys. As I say, that's what we're doing with our vlogs at the moment, because it will give you a true reflection of what the theme parks are like when you can actually come when the kids are off school or when you don't have work or anything like that. Tivoli might be a lot better when it's not summer holidays.
Oh.
Ah, Demon is now open. I bet it's got a humongous queue. We're probably going to get to the front and it will close down, but let's try and give it a go. Demon attempt 2. Queue's moving quite fast, isn't it, Jacob? But is it going to close before we get there?
Please no.
Feeling hopeful this time. We're nearly there. Please don't shut down. Demon, our first ever flawless B&M coaster. So Sky went on this, guys, whilst we were waiting for Demon. What was it?
It was a dark ride, a kiddie's ride.
Dark ride. She said it was a bit like Peter Pan at Disney, but you're in a suitcase instead.
That was your storyline, but it's in Danish.
Is it any good?
Yeah, I didn't understand it. It was in English.
So there's a dark ride for you. What do you think of your first ever flawless B&M?
Looked like a mini Dragon Khan, it was really good.
Mini Dragon Khan, yeah?
Smoother as well.
It's a lot shorter than Dragon Khan. I still prefer Dragon Khan, even though it made me pass out. But that was a lot smoother, and the seats were a lot more comfortable as well, weren't they?
Yeah, flawless.
So yeah, there's Demon at Tivoli Gardens, guys. A very good ride. So on the Plus wristbands, we've got access to the aquarium. We might as well go and check it out. 1,600 fish. go look at some fish.
Fishies.
He's got your smile.
Oh, it's Dory.
Found it there.
You don't think they look scary?
Yeah.
Look at the teeth.
Piranhas.
But they bite.
Look
Gotta
at the
get
teeth.
ya.
Look, this one here. It's got its teeth out.
Dopey fish. Big fish.
Little fish.
Little fish. Big fish. Cardboard box. Oh, that's not another part of the aquarium, that's the ladies' toilets. We don't want a demonstration of that fish. It's not PG friendly. Okay guys, so this room with the fish here and the piranhas over there, that's the whole aquarium.
No shark.
So I wouldn't buy it unless you had the wristband.
Shark here.
Oh look, there's a
Oh,
shark.
there is a shark.
So what did you think of the aquarium, Jacob?
It's a bit small.
It's probably the worst aquarium we've ever done. I like Amsterdam's aquarium. So we found another area of the park. Bigger than we thought it was, wasn't it, Jacob?
Yeah.
Sky said there's a creepy clown ride and that there's a fun house as well, so we're looking for that at the moment. Oh, what's that one?
Just here.
Is that the creepy clown one or the fun house?
It's the creepy clown haunted inn.
Creepy clown haunted one. Let's go have a look. That was the Villa Vendetta there, guys. It was actually a scare maze, not a scary clown ride. What did you think?
Underwhelming.
It was alright.
It was terrible. It said that it won a FKF award on the wall, didn't it?
Yeah.
You know, Ride to Happiness has won one of those, Phoenix has won one of those. I have no idea why that did. Yeah, I don't rate that one very much, guys. You want to do the Passage del Terror at Blackpool or you want to go to Walibi Holland? I mean, we didn't have to queue for the fun house, so you can't complain really. It did smell a bit in there though, didn't it? Me and Jacob actually have a theory with this trip and all the theme parks that we've done, and that is the more expensive the theme park, the more busy it is for some reason. It's like you've got Disneyland, you've got here, there's Land of Legends, there's just so many, but the more expensive the theme park, the busier it is for some reason. Not sure how true that is. We'll think about that throughout our whole Euro trip. So that concludes our day at Tivoli Gardens. What do you think, Jacob?
Yeah, it's a really nice park.
But very busy. With how busy it is, they have done very well on the operations. Can you agree?
Yeah, queues move quick. But the rides keep breaking down. It really annoyed me.
Yeah, there's a lot of unreliable rides, but the operations when they're running are actually quite fast. High capacity rides, aren't they?
Yeah.
Which is always good. I think we'll probably have to come back to this one, guys. We might have missed a few bits today. I'm pretty sure we got all of the main attractions, but we definitely have to do a return visit. Maybe not in the heart of summer, but if you're planning on coming in summer, guys, make sure you get here early. The park is open till 12 o'clock, but we've got a long drive up to Sweden for Liseberg and Tusenfried, which are our next theme parks. If you did enjoy today's vlog, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.